raced in like 2 years.
Oh. Yeah.
From a dig, you haven't raced at a track in like...
Probably 2020.
No, before
March?
that.
Before
All right, boys and girls, I don't see too many more vehicles in the test and tune.
This is my lane lock on the gear too, right? Yep. Testing.
So they're starting it at 7:20. Do you want me? I mean, I can grab the generator and stick it in the back seat.
Yeah, we're gonna have to do that.
Hefe, you gotta make one pass.
Part of the rule that the Christmas tree has to be lit up.
Yep.
Yes. Yeah. First round at least, anyways. And then after that, it don't matter.
So that's 5 more than we got.
I have none. Like I was hoping I could make it.
This is it. We wanted to at least do one shakedown to make sure, like, it just works.
We don't get that.
Alright, I'll fix my later.
No. Well, nice meeting you.
Likewise. What was your name, by the way?
I'm Jared.
Jared, I'm Tanner.
Tanner, nice meeting you. I cannot believe we didn't get testing.
So we gotta get the tree lit up. The inverter didn't work. And Jared's strapped in the car.
The other side. Yep.
Starting lines.
This is my testing. I heard Cleetus.
Starting line, just think of it like your 3 races. Yes.
Yeah, true.
Starting line.
I got 3 buttons to memorize what they do.
So we're going to Mexican today.
3 buttons.
Yeah, pretty much.
I want to see, yes.
It's seatbelted in just as good as you're seatbelted in right now.
Maybe better. Maybe better. I'm in here pretty good.
They're saying the track is kind of soft right now. It's been pretty soft.
It's super splashy up there from
Yeah.
that rain that we got.
Yeah, it should be alright.
No problem.
Okay. If you win, it's not.
Hey, you know that car only has 4 passes on it.
I have
right?
none.
So yeah, I'm just saying, like, it's not like you're racing a proven car.
Right.
Hey, we're out here having fun, right?
These guys got it all and he came with the motor and everything. It's like, I thought it was just gassing it or testing it. They're like, nope, you're racing right now. I'm like, I haven't even burned the tires. Let's figure out the tires yet.
Well, we went up for a test pass. The car wouldn't start. Our whole thing is we're gonna have fun. We spent like 2 years building that car.
Like when I heard everybody talking about it, I'm like, that's a well-known car.
Fan high, fan low. That's your secondary fuel pump if you ever need to double check your fuel pressure. And that's the water pump.
Oh, to keep it. So my temps are 200 right now, right?
Yeah.
So what's hot? Like 230?
225.
We got some fast cars here tonight, folks. We had technical difficulties in the right lane, so that left lane is going to make it happen. And he catches the win line.
job. 890 on first hit.
That was awesome.
And it worked perfectly.
That worked out great.
How'd it feel?
Holy shit.
Your first pass, 8.9.
It was 890?
890, first pass.
Wow.
I went, oh, careful.
Oh.
Cooper and Bronte were so excited for you.
I beat that guy.
Yes, but your lights weren't lit.
They went out right on the hit?
I think so.
I think it was like right, you could, as long, maybe
You know what though? I don't even care.
Yeah, like now it's got, like, remember I was like worried it's got a little, like you can hear that vibration still. Like it's, like after that hit it got a little worse, so it's.
Dude,
Yeah.
first pass in forever.
Damn, it was gone,
890
too.
right
And
first
I
hit.
didn't red light or anything?
No,
Wow.
it was like perfect. Like perfect.
that was
Here,
awesome.
I can show you.
Thank
Who are you racing this time? I didn't know who that guy was.
KSR, I think. I think he fabbed like Garrett's cars and stuff like that.
Fun.
Yeah,
He seems really cool.
He's really cool and he's got a fast car. So we're gonna have to wing this one. Hopefully he just pulls his chute like the last guy did. All right, chute comes out. Somebody come help me with this one. Here they go! Cleetus takes it home. 7-5. Oh, very fast car. Left.
It did look.
It left super hard. That was the hardest the car ever left. And it was like, it was going, and then I think the converter bolts are broke. It snapped all the converter bolts.
That
and they
would've
were
been-
grade A bolts.
That would have been by far the fastest.
The fastest car, yeah. It was on a mission. Like it was just like I was out, and it was like I was like, oh yeah, and it just boom, let go.
It was a pretty amazing. I'll show you the video. It's pretty amazing spark firework show.
Was it?
Yeah.
Oh, there's people yelling like, hey, good job, Sketch. Like, yeah, this thing was on a mission. I bet that would have been a 7-second pass all day. So close. We'll get there.
Yep.
I mean, we'll get new bolts in it. And Cy thinks maybe the motor mount might have broke too. So, but they're old. I mean, shit, these motor mounts, I've like had them since 2015 or 2014. So
For sure.
So we'll get it back. I mean, the motor still runs. It's not hurt. So fires right off. Maybe, I don't know what happens when you break a transmission or converter bolts, what would happen with it, but hopefully nothing. So that's all right.
I'm really cold.
Okay.
Let's go get the trailer.
Okay, let's go get the trailer.